Our experts' findings include that there is insufficient information on the behavior of diluted bitumen to adequately address the risk of oil spill and cleanup. TWN persistently asked Canada throughout consultation to provide us with any peer reviews of our findings or any new scientific studies in relation to the project. The federal government initially denied the existence of its own peer review documents of Tsleil-Waututh and Squamish expert reports, which we found out later their experts largely agreed with our conclusions. Canada came to the consultation table with predetermined accommodation measures before we had the chance to set out our concerns. Those measures did not change after consultation, meaning they were not responsive to our specific and focused concerns.
It is again proved that it is flawed. They said they wanted to work with Coldwater in regards to a water aquifer study in collaboration. And we worked in good faith. But yet when you say collaboration, it wasn't Coldwater who imposed deadlines when the water aquifer study hasn't even started. The protection of our sole source drinking water in Coldwater is at the top of the list, not only for today but for future generations.
A expanded pipeline export facility within our territory and within this part of the world does not make sense given the risks that are imposed and the lack of meaningful respect by the federal government for the rights of the Squamish people. We will continue to challenge this and continue to challenge the federal government using our rights that are protected under the Canadian Constitution. That is what is asked of us as leaders by our people, and it's asked of us by future generations who are praying that we continue to stand up for the environment that we are going to hand down to them one day.
All the nations have stood up and put work to prove that this is not the best interest of Canada, not the best interest of Tsleil-Waututh, Squamish, and Coldwater, not in the best interest of Vancouver and British Columbia. We have proven this in the studies that we have done. So we come here again united to stand up and fight for what we believe in. Any means possible, we have said that. And we're comfortable going to court again because Canada, again, didn't meet our standard of consultation. And I explained the things and studies that we have done that we're going to bring to court today.